Could the future of finance be decentralized, secure, and scalable all at once? Welcome to the world of Cardano, a project that's forging a path in the vast landscape of cryptocurrencies with its unique approach to blockchain technology. Cardano isn't just another name in the sea of digital currencies. It's a platform built on a solid foundation of academic research, peer-reviewed development, and an unwavering focus on scalability. Picture a future where blockchain technology evolves beyond its current limitations, providing solutions to the most pressing challenges of the digital economy. At the core of Cardano is its native cryptocurrency, ADA. But ADA isn't merely a medium for transactions. It's the lifeblood that powers the Cardano network, giving rise to a myriad of potential use cases. One of the key tenets of Cardano is scalability and sustainability. Unlike some other blockchain networks that grapple with issues of scalability, Cardano adopts a unique layered architecture. By separating the transaction and settlement layers, it achieves impressive scalability while maintaining security and decentralization. Cardano's unwavering commitment to rigorous academic research means that every facet of its protocol undergoes thorough scrutiny and peer review. This adherence to scientific principles bolsters the platform's security and reliability, making it a compelling choice for developers and enterprises in search of a sturdy blockchain solution. The potential applications for Cardano are as diverse as they are far-reaching. From decentralized finance applications that enable lending, borrowing, and trading, to supply chain tracking, identity management, and voting systems, Cardano provides a flexible platform for building decentralized solutions to real-world problems. But why should one consider Cardano as an investment? First and foremost, investing in ADA tokens opens the door to a platform brimming with potential for growth and innovation. As more and more people adopt Cardano's technology, the utility and value of ADA tokens stand to increase. Moreover, Cardano's dedication to sustainability and scalability sets it apart in a crowded field of cryptocurrencies. For those seeking a project with a strong foundation, underpinned by academic rigor and a clear vision for the future, Cardano represents an opportunity to be part of a transformative journey towards a more inclusive and efficient financial system. In an era where innovation is the driving force behind progress, Cardano emerges as a beacon of possibility. It offers a platform where ideas can thrive and dreams can transform into reality. For those who recognize the potential for positive change, investing in Cardano isn't just about buying a cryptocurrency. It's about becoming part of a movement towards a better, more interconnected future.